Latino expansion 548. We have 50% of the world commerce is between EU and America. Simple as that. Spain is the appendix, and that's why we found the first America, because we are closer. Just because. But perpetually, the intrinsic value will be closer to here, Bilbao, and to America, for example, Panama flag. Yeah, recommend Panama flag. It is really a flag that it is open to all these Venezuela countries, and why not just help ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparency, because the commerce will be 50% around here, from Bilbao to Panama, all this area. Therefore, the expansion today is within those officers and the ratings. First thing is flag away from European flags. Why? Because we have Brussels doing nothing, 26 chickens with no head, no policy for intrinsic value. One seafarer hero brings to Europe 20,000 euros, let's say, per year. Direct, indirect is 220. Then 100 years multiply intrinsic value. Imagine 4 million seafarers and so on. They don't care. They just now. If you go to any beach now, August, you will see all the politicians there doing nothing. Well, perhaps it was better they stayed there, because we could do something like in Panama, like this expansion we have of Latino officers and ratings, and the Spanish too. Why? Because something is changing very fast, and one of them is the 25% difference in cost and the investment in ESG, environment, social, governance. We are starting Panama cutting new ships below 15 years, no more, above. So let's think of the image. Let's grow times 10 the expansion of the maritime schools in Venezuela, in Cuba, in Panama, in Peru, in Guatemala, Honduras, Ecuador, Colombia, Argentina, Brazil, Paraguay, so on. Then in Spain, well, they are not going to do nothing here. But we have also in Spain huge expansion, because the lack of officers is just massive. Some countries are thinking, like France, to expand the fleet, but same issue there. Therefore, now in Candina we have a huge expansion, and probably in September, when the summer is almost over, most October, then we will continue with other type of expansions for the chemical, for the gas tankers and so on. But today is general cargo, bulk carriers, RoPax, ferries, bunker ships, everything that has to do with local solutions. Then we are expanding in huge ways. So think about the local solution. Shipowner first is you cut emissions, transport, travel, hotel, home allowance, food allowance, and so on, because investing in local crew, I think, is the best talent solution. And here we have 50% of the cake, Atlantic Ocean. Thank you. Bye.